Okay, so what I've done is I've added in some object data into our map, and this basically takes the sort of the name of the mesh collection and which index to use. Has an X and Y position, or an X and Z position rather, and a rotation. And what this gives us is objects. I'm not loading any materials at the moment, I'm just shoving on a default material, so that's object loading working. What I started working on today and is not really ready yet is if I give it a quick minimize and select the map. These objects now actually have they block movement tiles. The way I'm handling this is I've subdivided the actual tile grid by 3, so it's each grid is 3 by 3 possible movement things, and then I'm basically just racing through those and checking whether it collides with if there's any mesh in that location. So that kind of works in some cases where we've got like the table. I need to tweak the way my collision works because it can allow you to walk through the table. Also, it has broken the A-star pathfinding. So in some cases like this, it will just walk straight through a wall because, you know, why not? So that is what I'm working on right now. This actually is going to work a bit nicer for like moving through doors and stuff because it will move through the center of the door rather than like clip through the wall. And it also allows us to sort of path around smaller items that are smaller than 1 square. So in the case of the table is you know, effectively 1 tile worth of stuff, but this box is not. And the same with these bookshelves. This bookshelf would actually cover like this whole tile here if I was just saying, well, there's something in that tile. So basically going through and just polling each of these to see if there's a mesh there is working okay. It generates it once when the level loads, which seems fairly efficient. I've not tried this on any of the larger maps yet. Yeah, and so I've just got a load of little problems with it basically just straight up ignoring the values in these fields. So yeah, that's what I'm working on next. So this has been, what, day 20, I think? Yeah, day 20. And so my to-dos to finish for this one is figure out why it's broken, remove and clean up the mesh colliders after I generate the walk map, and sort out everything to use factories. While I was refactoring this, I realized that I basically took a lot of shortcuts while making the A-star like nav grid calculations, so it's just a complete mess. So it's a bit of refactoring as well. Cool. All right, later.